Get ready to experience pure satisfaction as we unveil an extraordinary world of fascinating machines and brilliant tools. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible innovations that effortlessly conquer everyday tasks. From mesmerizing assembly lines to ingenious inventions that redefine possibilities, this journey will leave you in awe of human creativity. Let's take a look at the most satisfying machines and ingenious tools. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Step into the world of metal can manufacturing with the automatic can body machine, churning out a whopping 40 cans per minute. Witness the mesmerizing process as metal sheets get printed, welded at both ends, and transformed into cylindrical wonders. Equipped with auto-view technology and servo motor precision, it flawlessly positions each can for shaping. Moving through the double-squeeze flanging machine and bottom seamer, the cans are finally collected, leaving you in awe of this incredible creation. Introducing the Mebor's VTZ Plus, a cutting-edge vertical sand sawmill designed for high capacity and top-notch sawing quality. Its intelligent design combines speed, energy efficiency, and excellent wood recovery, with features like a tiltable carriage for smooth band reception, a super-fast electric carriage drive for swift log carriage return, and the flexibility of single or double-side cutting. It's undoubtedly the ultimate choice for sawing both soft and hardwood logs. Experience the magic of dough conveying as it flows effortlessly through bakery plants. From one piece of equipment to another, conveying units whisk dough along the production line, making manual handling a thing of the past. Behold the efficiency of conveyors transporting massive dough masses ranging from 200 kilograms to several tons, saving time and labor in large-scale bakeries. Prepare to be amazed by the precision of this metal marking machine. It expertly engraves alphanumeric prints and images on metal, perfect for mass-produced items and parts identification. Unleash the power of marking technology and elevate your products with flawless identification and branding. Discover the art of crafting braided cheese, a delightful dairy creation of elastic cheese strips skillfully woven together in a braid. Hailing from regions like Kurdistan, Turkey, Armenia, Israel, Lebanon, Syria, and Latin America, each variant offers a unique flavor adventure. Savor them in various dishes or relish their pure goodness as is. Some even get better with a refreshing soak, enhancing their texture and reducing saltiness. We've all heard of 3D painting, but watch this live. Watch the magic of this 3D printer. With chalks-enriched filament, it crafts mesmerizing masterpieces boasting a silky finish. You'll be spellbound. Its creation seems straight out of VFX wizardry. Ever wondered how noodles get packaged? Prepare to be amazed as you watch the mesmerizing journey from cutting to packaging. It's a truly satisfying spectacle that'll leave you craving for a bowl of noodles. Say goodbye to pesky eggshells. This ingenious mechanism effortlessly cracks and separates eggs, saving you the hassle. Enjoy perfectly separated yolks and whites, making cooking a breeze. Now you can experience the brilliance of a conveyor that sorts fish by weight and quality. Witness its astounding speed, sorting an incredible 120 pieces per minute. Say hello to efficiency and precision in fish processing like never before. This immensely satisfying creation is a joy to watch, yet its manufacturing process is a journey that requires time and dedication. The results are worth the wait, leaving you elated and content. Meet the tree baler, a genius machine that wraps trees for effortless shipping and storage. Compact and secure, wrapped trees face fewer damages during transit. This innovative device replaces tedious hand tying at nurseries, making the process a visual delight. Tackling dirty roads is no walk in the park, but not for this high-pressure mop, a game-changer that leaves streets spotless and shining. With ease, it transforms a seemingly tough task into a satisfying spectacle for all to admire. Say goodbye to road grime and hello to sparkling streets. Incredible! With just 2 parts, this machine works wonders. It masterfully cuts uniform vermicelli noodles and tosses them into boiling water. A mesmerizing display of efficiency and precision, making your noodle cravings a delightful reality. Say goodbye to the dreaded chore of folding clothes. Embrace the magic of the auto folding machine, a total game changer. Effortlessly, it organizes a mountain of t-shirts in record time, leaving you in awe. Watch as it turns a tedious task into a fun and satisfying experience like never before. Gardening just got a whole lot more satisfying. Behold the water-spreading marble in action. Witness how effortlessly it covers every nook and cranny of your vast garden. Say goodbye to the tiring chore as it turns watering 3,000 square meters of garden beds into an absolute pleasure. Experience the pure joy as you witness the high-pressure machine in action. From dirty to dazzling, this wonder leaves floors looking brand new. Prepare to be amazed as it effortlessly blasts away grime and stains, making cleaning a delightful spectacle. Indulge in the pure satisfaction of a heated razor blade effortlessly removing an old sticker, leaving no trace behind. Watch in awe as it works its magic, making sticker removal a seamless and gratifying experience. Moving on to the FIBA Industries' latest breakthrough, the Giotto Evo. Its unparalleled performance and reliability ensure cutting-edge precision. The innovative oscillating and circulating band knife cutting system guarantee high-quality cuts at maximum speed, surpassing all expectations. The paper cup production line operates at a fast rate of speed and provides cups for both hot and cold beverages. This procedure encompasses cup formation, paper cutting, sealing, and quality assurance. This line greatly boosts manufacturing capacity and satisfies the growing demand for disposable, eco-friendly cups. Draining and compressing cans, bottles, and labels is a cost-effective method made possible by the E2000 packaging press. With only an electrical and water connection needed, it enables simple installation and commissioning. The press's curved funnel shape prevents material egress and makes cleaning easier while ensuring safety during filling. Over time, roofs gather mold and dirt. TOPNOT high-pressure cleaning tools are the solution, restoring roofs to their original like-new appearance. Beyond roofs, the process includes rotary cleaning, rinsing, and applying a mold inhibitor to rejuvenate any surface. With TOPNOT, surfaces can look brand new again, leaving them spotless and enhancing their longevity. The manufacturing of Zippo lighters commences with a solid brass roll, expertly cut and stamped into base and lid shapes. These pieces are then skillfully welded together, incorporating hinges to craft a lighter case. The case allows for diverse decorations. Meanwhile, lighter inserts are formed from steel and assembled with essential components. All finished lighters undergo rigorous inspection before global packaging and shipment. The Guardian Company specializes in cylindrical mechanisms, locks, and accessories production. Their process combines computerized machines and skilled workers to ensure exact specifications are met. Witnessing their manufacturing is gratifying, as advanced technology and craftsmanship result in high-quality products. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.